Today I have 42,000 subscribers and I am thankful.
Guys, we are at 56K and I believe we're at 77K. Can you guys believe we hit 100,000 subscribers? Woo! Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Oh my gosh, today is very exciting, guys. Guess what day it is? Guess what day it is? Yes! Well, hello, friend. We got a new friend here from YouTube all the way, honey. Today's the day that we're unboxing the 100K Silver Play Award. Okay? Don't mind this area right here. I had to tear this out because, you know, I don't want anybody in my business. Okay? That's my address or whatever, so don't worry. But this is it. It says what? I'm super duper excited. I cannot believe we did this. We did this. You did this. When I tell you, I was one of those people obsessed with unboxing of 100 silver play buttons, you know. I was so obsessed on how people would do it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was like, yeah, one day, maybe one day. I'll be able to get it. But sis, I did not know 2021 was gonna be the year that your sister gets the 100K Silver Play Award. What? Me? Ine. Ambuye. God. What? A girl from Malawi. What? I cannot believe this. This thing came on Saturday, okay? So you guys should know. My heart was like, listen, girl, open it. Like, I was like, no, I gotta open it in front of my people, my community, my sisters, my family. So this, sis, is for you, okay? We did this, sis. Thank you so much, guys. I cannot believe this is real life right now. Like, what? What? Oh my God. Me? This is... Okay, we're gonna have to get it together. I'll be right back, okay? Okay, guys, we are back, or whatever. Thank you guys so much. You should know today that you right there, I'm talking to you, sis, like you, yes, you are the reason why I'm sitting right here telling you guys about this 100K silver play button. Without you guys, I was not going to be able to get this. Like, without you guys subscribing, sharing my videos, liking, commenting, without your support, this was not going to be possible. From the bottom of my heart, you guys, thank you. Woo! Thank you. I want to give a big shout out to Pick Mill. Pick Mill, that's my girl. Just search her name, Pick Mill. She has really nice videos, okay? Okay. That's my girl, that's my motivation right there. Pick Mill girl, you know I love you, right? Anyway, so I'm gonna give you a little background story on how I started my YouTube. Pick Mill is the reason why I started my YouTube channel. Back in 2014, she came to get her hair done by us. And the funny thing is, the day before we did her hair, me and my sister were binge watching her videos. So it just happened, like sometimes the stars just align. You know what I'm saying? Like, and the next day she comes over and we're just looking at her like, is this for real or what? Like, what's happening? And I'm like, Pick Mill, is this you? And she's just like, yeah. Girl, you should have seen my sister. She was so starstruck. She couldn't focus. She was like, girl, listen, we don't even tell each other, like when we start braiding, we just seamlessly do it. Like, it's just like, you know, we just do it together. We just say, okay, what size are we doing? And we just do it. This day, my sister was so starstruck that she was like, yo, what size are we doing again? What size are we doing again? I'm like, sis, calm down. I was starstruck too, but I was like, yo, we gotta get it together. Pick Me was our Beyonce on that day, okay? Okay, you guys feel me? And I just started asking her some questions about YouTube. So I was like, sis, how do you even do it? Like, how do you even make these videos? Like, how do you get people to subscribe to your channel? And she was like, you know what? The most difficult thing to do is get started. So whatever you do, if you want to start a YouTube channel, girl, just do it. Do it. Just start. Like, I had 10 subscribers and I was just looking at her like, really? who's gonna watch my videos? Like, sis. And she was like, girl, just do it. So that's how I started my YouTube. Then I started recording, uploading videos. That was in 2014, right? I was in nursing school as well, so it was a little hard for me to juggle the two. So I decided, you know what, let me take a little break, concentrate on school, whatever. And then the break turned into 5 years, sis. Okay, like, yeah, it did. It turned into 5 years, but you know what? Everything happens for a very good reason. One day last year, my husband is into cameras and he was so persistent about getting this camera. And I was like, yo, we don't even need this camera right now. And he was like, yeah, I need it. This camera is so dope, da-da-da-da. And I was like, okay, sir, you know what? You can go get it. So he got the camera, and then for some reason, I was looking at the camera like, And then he was like, you want to go back to your YouTube videos? I was like, yes, sir. I mean, I don't know, maybe, like, I can try. And my sis too was like, okay, let's do it. Like, do it, girl. Like, what else can happen? Like, just do it. Upload videos. You know, at that point, I already had like 35,000 subscribers. So thank you. Shout out to my OGs. I had about 35,000 subscribers and I had 8 videos, guys. Right now I have 92 videos, so you guys should know that I did grind, okay? Like, I was like, yo, I'm gonna do this, and I want it so bad. And with the support of you guys, we managed to get this 100K Silver Play Award. To some, they're like, oh my gosh, is this high for 100K, sis? I was thinking it's gonna take me years to get to 100K. Years, okay? So, this is huge. It's huge. I am so thankful. And you know what? I am thankful for every step of the journey. Like, when I got to 50K, 60, when I got to 70, when I got to 80, I was just super duper excited about growing the family. So you guys should know that this right here is me saying thank you. So long story short, I just wanted to let you guys know that you can do it. Just keep pushing, keep pushing. You can do this. Like, this can be done. Like, anybody can actually get this. So now we're just gonna unbox this, guys, real quick. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to my husband. Shout out to my sister. Shout out to my mother. Shout out to my sisters, my cousins, my friends, my best friend Grace. Shout out to you, boo. Okay, because she is one supportive friend, guys. Like, oh my gosh, you need one person in your life who's like riding with you. I got one. I love you, boo. Shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, why am I still talking? Have you guys subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on the notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Alright guys, so we are going to open this. I cannot. This is making me emotional just to think of how far I've come, guys. Oh! Anyway, I'm going to be opening with this little eyebrow razor. Oh my gosh, guys! Okay, so it has this little... Okay, so I'm gonna read it. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. Okay, thank you, Rick. All right, guys, so before I take it out of this plastic thing, I'm just gonna read you this letter that it came with. So it says, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, your 1,000 subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know that you definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of the growing community that you established. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Award. Congratulations. Okay, we know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. I know. Keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, girl, sis, and they say they had to put that in. And who knows, sis? Just kidding. And who knows, when you reach your 1 millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Susan. Thank you, Susan. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, you. Thank you. Oh my gosh, the moment of truth. Yes. I cannot. Oh my gosh. It says presented to Tupo1 for passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube subscribers. Are you kidding? Oh my god. This is so cool. This is so cool. Thank you guys so much. This right here is for all of us. We did this. Our family, you guys, my sisters, my brothers, my friends, my cousins. You guys are my family. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe to your girl. Let's get to 200K, honey, because we are moving. Make sure you share this with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, because sharing is caring. And I'll see you guys in my next one.